today's session, we will solve the word problems of exercise 9.4. Fifth question, solve the following. B part, the distance around the school field is 2 km 500 meter. Rahul ran 2 rounds of the field and Rohit ran 3 rounds of the same field. What was the total distance covered in meters by them? This is the field. The distance around the field is 2 km and 500 meter. Rahul ran 2 rounds and Rohit ran 3 rounds. Now we have to find the total distance covered in meters. First of all, we will write distance covered in one round. That is given 2 km 500 meter. Now we know Rahul covered 2 rounds. So distance covered in 2 rounds. It will be 2 km 500 meter multiplied by 2. And when we will multiply, it will become 2.500 kilometer multiplied by 2. And finally, we will get the distance covered is 5 kilometer. Now the distance covered in 3 rounds. Same way we will do 2 kilometer 500 meter multiplied by 3. 2.500 kilometers multiplied by 3. It will be 7.500 kilometers. Now we have to find total distance covered. Total distance covered. We will add these two distances, 5 kilometer and 7.500 kilometer. It will be 12.500 kilometer. But we have to give the answer in meters. So convert it in meters. 12.500 kilometers are there. 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 12.500 kilometer means 12.500 multiplied by 1000. It will be 3 zeros afterwards. And C part is Sheila has been asked to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Each glass contains 125 ml. How many liters of water does she drink in a day? She has been suggested to drink 8 glasses of water. First of all, we will write she drinks water in 1 glass. That is 125 ml. She is suggested to drink 8 glasses water. So we will find it out in 8 glasses. To find it, we will multiply 125 milliliter by 8. 125 by 8, it will be 8 5s are 48, 2s are 16 and 4 20, 8 and 2 10. It will be 1000 milliliter. The question was to find how many liters of water does she drink. This is in milliliter. We know 1000 milliliter makes 1 liter. So here we will write she will drink 1 liter water in a day. In our today's session, we will discuss about the temperature. What temperature is? The measure of hotness or coldness of a body is known as its temperature. The temperature of an object is measured with the help of a thermometer. Doctors use clinical thermometer to measure the temperature of a human body. There are two scales to measure the temperature. The scales are Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Using these two scales, we measure the temperature of a body. According to these two scales, water freezes at 0 degree Celsius but on 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is the difference between these two scales. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius but on 212 degree Fahrenheit. The normal body temperature of a human is 37 degrees Celsius but 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This is the difference between these two scales. Exercise 9.6 question. Read the temperatures on the thermometers shown below and write them in the space provided. We have to read the temperatures. See, this is 5 degree Celsius. We will write like this. It's 20 degrees Celsius. This is 35 degree Celsius. We have to read like this. It's 85 degree Celsius. We have to read the darker portion. See, it's 55, it's 60. It is 56 and 1, 57 degree Fahrenheit. Last, 110, 120 means 1 point indicates 2 degree. It's 4 points, so it will be 118 degree Fahrenheit. I hope you understand it. Thank you.